Please stop being so scary when it comes to having some meat in your hands.
What?
Let me show you how to break down a chicken in less than 60 seconds. You're gonna need a cutting board, a sharp knife, your chicken of course, and a place to put your pieces of chicken. Start by taking this plastic piece out, as well as going inside the cavity to take out the neck and the giblets. We're gonna take a super sharp knife and we're gonna get started with our drumsticks. I like to cut an incision and then pop out that bone right there in order to be able to break down both sides really quick. Next, we're gonna take our chicken thighs and do the exact same thing. For our wing pieces, we're gonna go by the joint and cut on the outside to get our flat and our wingtip. So I'm gonna slowly make an incision on both sides of the rib cage so that I can slowly fillet out our chicken breast. Once I have that done, I did flip it over so that I can get our chicken drums. Here are all of our pieces. Now you have your chicken pieces to do as you wish with, as well as a carcass to make some stock with. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.